Hey, I'm Pilates instructor Tucker, certified in mat Pilates, and in this short workout, we'll be linking movements together to build up to the rollover exercise. So grab a seat and let's begin. And let's begin down in neutral spine. So feet are hip width apart, knees at about 90 degrees, palms resting on the mat, head gently resting on the mat. And we'll begin with an ab prep. So tighten the belly, exhale to curl up and down. And we're going to work our way, let's continue there. We're going to work our way into the roll up exercise, which is very similar to a backwards rollover. So these prep movements will all build up to the rollover. And let's bring the arms straight overhead. And again, exhale, ab prep, and back. Exhale. One more. And we're going to straighten the legs. If you want to make it harder, keep the feet where they are. We'll straighten the legs and move into a full roll up. So I've explained this in my instructional videos, which I'll link the playlist at the end here. But exhale, ab prep, very slight posterior pelvic tilt. So tightening the abs, tailbone slightly points forward as you come all the way up and straighten up at the top. Now back down, exhale, pull the belly away and curl all the way down. Let's do two more. Exhale, all the way up, inhale, exhale, roll down. Great, last one. Exhale down. Arms come down, palms on the mat. Feet come back up, knees at about 90 degrees. Exhale, tighten the belly, bring both legs in the tabletop. And send the right one out straight and back. Left one out straight and back. Let's continue there. A few things to remember. As the leg goes straight, it's making the exercise harder. You may compensate by overarching the lower back. Let's not do that. Spine stays in neutral. As the leg goes out, lower back doesn't arch. No movement in the spine, no movement in the hips. Let's go one more each way. And go ahead and bring the knees on into the chest. Let the lower back sink in the mat. And let's take any tension out of the lower back after those movements. Feet back on the mat. Inhale, exhale, tighten the belly, lift both legs to tabletop. Bring those legs together, knees glued together, feet glued together, and both go out straight. And back. Again, out. Really focus on keeping the spine stable, hips are stable, not overarching the lower back as the legs go out. And if we can't do this movement with the legs out without arching the lower back, then just don't put the legs out as far. Just keep the knees bent only to the point where you can maintain neutral spine. Last one. And down. And now we're going to put that all together. Exhale, both legs into tabletop. Send them out straight. Inhale, exhale, legs come over. Feet apart. Slowly roll down. Spinal articulation. When you get to the point of the feet being perpendicular to the ground, legs come back together and back to the starting position. Then we do this one more time, starting with the legs apart. So legs about hip width apart. Roll over. Bring the feet together. And slowly roll back down. When the feet are straight up, come back apart and to the starting position. Feet together and down. And let's come on up. If that was part of an actual workout, it'd be 3 repetitions of both versions with the feet apart and with the feet together. And this was like a mini workout, but it's going to be part of my instructional playlist, which can be your resource guide for detailed explanation of individual movements. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you at the next workout.